How to reset your Twitter account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can reset your Twitter account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to reset your Twitter account, all you have to do is, if you forgot the password and you're trying to reset it, open the Twitter application here. And then you want to go to the login page first by tapping this option, going to this option called login. Now you can just go to the login screen and just select this option called forgot password because we don't remember our password. So then all we have to do is make sure to enter the email address that is associated with our Twitter account, and then just hit the next option here. Once you hit the next option, it is going to send a verification code to this email. Once it sends the verification code to this email, then what you can do is you have to open up that email box, and then after you tap on the verification link, you'll be able to reset your password. Now in case you have your account linked with your Google account, you can just select the login option here and just select continue with Google in order to successfully sign in to your Twitter account. So this way you can reset your Twitter account. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.